Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features full LED headlights, a black roof, 18-inch alloy wheels. You get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers. There's cruise control with a speed limiter and a smartphone charging plate. There's also some great safety features with lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. The 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done less than 8,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.